Bow Windows Mesa are a popular choice for homeowners in Mesa, Arizona, looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Bow Windows Mesa installation offers a unique architectural feature that extends beyond the exterior wall, creating a beautiful curved appearance. These windows not only add elegance but also increase the natural light entering your home, making spaces feel larger and more inviting. With various Bow Windows Mesa styles available, homeowners can choose designs that complement their existing architecture while enjoying the benefits of increased curb appeal. When considering Bow Windows Mesa replacement, it's essential to understand the different bow window materials available. Options such as vinyl, wood, and aluminum each offer distinct advantages in terms of durability, maintenance, and energy efficiency. Energy-efficient Bow Windows Mesa are particularly popular in Mesa, Arizona, due to the region's hot climate. These windows help reduce energy costs by minimizing heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Custom Bow Windows Mesa can be tailored to meet specific energy efficiency needs, ensuring optimal performance and comfort. The cost of Bow Windows Mesa installation can vary based on several factors, including the size of the window, the materials used, and the complexity of the installation. Bow Windows Mesa installation cost is an important consideration for homeowners planning a renovation or new construction project. Working with experienced Bow Windows Mesa contractors can help ensure that the installation is completed efficiently and within budget. Bow Windows Mesa installation experts provide valuable insights into the best options for your home, helping you make informed decisions. Bow Windows Mesa installation is a crucial service for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Over time, Bow windows may experience wear and tear, leading to issues such as drafts, leaks, or difficulty opening and closing. Bow Windows Mesa installation services address these problems, restoring the windows to their original condition and ensuring they continue to function effectively. Regular Bow Windows Mesa maintenance can prevent the need for extensive installations, saving homeowners time and money in the long run. For those looking to upgrade their existing windows, Bow Windows Mesa upgrades offer a range of options to enhance both style and functionality. Bow Windows Mesa enhancements can include features such as improved insulation, noise reduction, and advanced locking mechanisms for added security. Bow Windows Mesa solutions are designed to meet the diverse needs of homeowners, providing options that align with personal preferences and lifestyle requirements. Bow Windows Mesa options are plentiful, allowing for customization and personalization to achieve the desired look and performance. Bow Windows Mesa are a popular choice for homeowners in Mesa, Arizona, looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Bow Windows Mesa installation offers a unique architectural feature that can transform any room by adding more natural light and creating a sense of spaciousness. With a variety of Bow Windows Mesa styles available, homeowners can choose the perfect design to complement their home's existing architecture. When considering Bow Windows Mesa replacement, it's essential to understand the benefits of upgrading to energy-efficient Bow windows. These windows not only improve the overall comfort of your home by reducing drafts and heat loss but also contribute to lower energy bills. Energy-efficient bow windows Mesa are designed with advanced materials and technologies to provide superior insulation and performance. Custom bow windows Mesa offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their window design to match their specific needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a particular shape, size, or material, custom bow windows Mesa can be tailored to fit your vision. Bow windows Mesa design experts can help you explore various options to create a unique and stylish look for your home. The cost of bow windows Mesa installation can vary depending on several factors, including the size of the window, the materials used, and the complexity of the installation. Bow windows Mesa installation cost is an important consideration for homeowners planning a renovation project. It's advisable to consult with bow windows Mesa installation experts to get an accurate estimate and ensure a smooth installation process. Bow windows Mesa installation services are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Over time, bow windows may require installations due to wear and tear, weather damage, or other issues. Professional bow windows Mesa installation services can address these problems efficiently, ensuring your windows remain in optimal condition. For those interested in enhancing their home's curb appeal, bow windows Mesa enhancements offer a range of options to choose from. From decorative glass to unique frame finishes, bow windows Mesa enhancements can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your home. Bow windows Mesa features can be customized to suit your style and preferences. Bow windows Mesa contractors are skilled professionals who specialize in the installation, replacement, and maintenance of bow windows. Choosing the right bow windows Mesa contractors is crucial for ensuring high-quality workmanship and customer satisfaction. Bow windows Mesa companies provide a wide range of services to meet the diverse needs of homeowners in the area.